Now, my request to the collectors are, not only these 4 requests, but the entire 540 services also you need to focus on. Are we giving within the stipulated time frame or not? That is the challenge that we are facing. And we need to make sure that we deliver within the stipulated time frame. Why 95% is the question what I asked. Be it rice card, be it pension card, be it house side, be it Arogyasri card. Why should it be the case where only 95% are resolved within the time frame? Why not 100%? Please make sure that we get 100% score. I do not want, after revising this, I do not want any complaints which say that even after this we have not received. That should not be the outcome. So please make sure that we get to this 100% mark. Collectors and joint collectors should regularly review this. Only then things will fall in place. It is very, very important that you at your level periodically, regularly review this. In fact, CMO is going to review with the collectors every Thursday. Please make a note of this day, because this is the day when CMO directly would review this along with Grammar Secretariat and Ward Secretariat Secretary every Thursday. So that every alternate Tuesday when we meet up for Spandana, we also are sure that these things are happening as per plan. There is no breach of the SLA. So we are properly addressing the issues. It's very important that the kind of focus that needs to be applied to needs to be put up there. This is very, very important aspect. And this has got to be done very transparently. Very, very transparently, because government is not asking you to reject anybody. Government is with the people. Government wants you to help people. Every person deserving should get it. Every person who wants to take us for a ride, undeserving people, they should not get it. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి.